Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have a little self-care night, and I've been feeling kind of yucky lately. I haven't been outside for a while, and I'm like starting to feel some like physical kind of symptoms of I'm just not feeling great mentally and physically. So I thought I'll make a little video about it and talk to you guys. Yeah. I'm just gonna start by, I just bought this like thing. I'm sure a few of you have heard about it. It's this like Indian healing clay, and you're supposed to mix it with apple cider vinegar, which I have also bought right here. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to open it. I should have opened it before pressing record. Ugh. Oh no, it just fell everywhere. Give me a second. It's a little bright. Looks like this. And so I wanted to try it out, and if it doesn't work, I don't know. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. But I just want to see if it does anything for me. So I guess what you're supposed to do is mix equal parts of the clay and then the apple cider vinegar. So, but I'm starting off with 1/3 of a cup, just to maybe a little less than that. It feels like a lot now. So like a little bit less than 1/3 of a cup, and then I'm gonna try to put equal parts of apple cider vinegar in there. I'm mixing it, putting it in there. Oh my god, look, it's bubbling. It's I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, then I'll mix it with this brush. So now it looks like this paste. Yeah, it looks like this little paste. And we're gonna, I'm gonna wait for it to, I'm gonna apply that on my face. Before I do that, and before I make a mess, I'm just gonna close this up. I can't see the camera really well, but see how big my forehead is? And these other clips. I'm gonna put this back. I feel like a cake, and I'm just icing a cake. Oh, I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror, even though I have a mirror right in front of me. Okay, so that's where my biggest pimple is right now. And then the forehead. Ugh, it's like a little baby hairs. How do you do the middle? Like, see, I don't have a nose bridge, so this is not working super well. A little close up there. Get it everywhere. I'm gonna use the mirror because it's so it's been like 5 minutes. And it's like starting, it's like cracking. See? Yeah, it's cracking. I cut my finger yesterday because I made a beef stew, and I just cut myself while cutting carrots. So yeah, that's that. That's like really dry. Can you see this? Yeah. Please focus on this. Yeah. Do you see how dry? That's like really tiny. That's what she said, or that's what he said. It's real tight, real dry. I have a crackly mustache. We're gonna wash this off with warm water. I did it. Oh my god. Now that we're done, I made too much of it. Too much of it. This is all dry now, but for that, we have to moisturize my skin. My phone's still on. I'm gonna. Hi, am I like in your bubble? Am I like being too close? So welcome to my kitchen. That is also my laundry room, of course. We're gonna be baking some cookies. Yeah, because I wanna bring some cookies to my photo shoots tomorrow. Because obviously we all want people to like me and I want people to feel comfortable and at home. And what better to make people feel loved and cared for than a batch of homemade cookies. So we're gonna be baking some chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna link the recipe down below actually. Yeah, so we're gonna start with, I had some clay in my nose and now I'm like tasting Indian clay. Is that weird? Like I genuinely feel like I ate clay, which is not a good sign. What did I do? We're gonna make some cookies. I'm gonna lower the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. So, is this good? I do it like that. Maybe a little less. Is that good? Yeah. So, bowl, sugars, salt, and butter. So we're starting off with half a cup of granulated sugar. And that's half a cup right there. Like that. I actually need I'm thinking about purchasing a second camera so I can always have two cameras filming from different angles, but it might be a little extra for me. Need some brown sugar and then some salt and butter. So 1 teaspoon of salt. That's some salt there. That's about it. Still some chunks in there. And then we whisk. This be well mixed. Kind of lumpy, but homogeneous. Homogeneously lumpy. I think that can be like, I should change my YouTube channel name to that. Homogeneously lumpy. Because I'm lumpy. Homogeneously. Lumpy all the way through. So, and then we're gonna crack 1 egg. Sometimes I like to substitute the egg for half a banana. You see this? You see this deliciousness? That's that. And then I add some vanilla. I don't measure my vanilla ever. I just eyeball it. Boop. Guess you can put a lot, you can put a little, you know. I love a lot of vanilla, but yeah, just eyeball it. Doesn't matter. As long as you don't use the whole bottle, you're fine. It's gonna taste great. Some that's my... It's supposed to basically fall like that and have make little ribbons as it falls. And after that, we're gonna be sifting some flour. So I like to take my whisk out. I use this thing. Just put it to 1 1/4 of a cup. Sifting. That's 1 cup. And that's about 1/4 of a cup. And my sifting. That's like what I do. I use a spatula and I just mix it all together. Mix it all together, and you know. So you just want to fold it gently, not over mix it too much. Mix that thoroughly. Whew. How sad is it that I consider this an arm workout? And that's about the consistency that we want. It's lumpy, but it sticks together pretty much, right? And then what we do, got 2 bags of chocolate chips, but I think I'm gonna use half. I'm gonna use half of each of these bags because, yeah. Usually I use chocolate chunks, but this time we're using chocolate chips. It's a bit of ASMR for you there. That's about it, and then we fold it in. What you get. So now we're gonna make little balls. So next step is, I know some people use ice cream scoops, but of course I don't have any. I don't have that. So I'm just gonna grab some dough and just press it into a ball. Look, this is not sticking. Press this into a ball shape. And put these here. So that's what it looks like. And now we're gonna put them in the oven. See, now we have like a fresh batch of homemade cookies that I can bring tomorrow. This one's ugly, so I might taste test that one. But look at them. Like a cup right there. Oat milk. And we're just gonna try this one.